Okay, hang on. Before you scroll, you need to hear this. There's a reason so many people are talking about this product right now, and once you try it, you'll understand exactly why. First off, the performance is insanely smooth. No lag, no hassle, no struggle, just pure, easy results. Second, the design. It looks clean, it feels great in your hands, and it's built solid. Like, you can tell they actually put effort into this. But here's the kicker. It's unbelievably easy to use. You don't need experience, you don't need instructions. You literally just start and it works. People keep messaging me saying, "Wow, I didn't expect it to be this good." And honestly, same, it surprised me too. So before you forget or get distracted, tap the link in the description, give it a quick check, and trust me, you're gonna thank me later. Before we continue, I want to highlight something. Okay, hang on. Before you scroll, you need to hear this. There's a reason so many people